Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can block someone on Telegram. So to get started, open Telegram app on your device. Once you are on the app, select any chat box or message box you want to chat and click on the three dots which is located at top right corner. Here you can see the person details or information. So again click on the three dots which is located at the again top right corner, and here you can see many options. Among them is the block user option. Simply click on block user option in order to block someone on Telegram. So if you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us.